All right, Anthony F here. It is Monday night, almost Tuesday, and I wanted to show you my radio station. For some reason, when I tell people I have a radio station, they say, "Oh, you have a radio show? Okay, do you do music?" And I'm like, "Yes." But I think there's a confusion here. I don't have a radio show. I have a radio station. This is an online radio station. I'm using a program called airtime. Where is it? You can't see it here. Oh, here it is. Airtime. It is a free program that allows you to broadcast music. So what I did was I installed it on Linux, but I didn't install it on a run-of-the-mill Linux box. I installed it on a tiny little Raspberry Pi for $35. It's the Raspberry Pi 2, so it's a quad core. It's kind of fast, but it's fast enough. I have a 64 gig SD card in there, and that's what's running the whole thing. That's the hard drive. It has an ARM architecture chip, so it's running like a smartphone chip, and it's doing the job. So what I have here is the now playing playlist. The green is what's playing right now, and I could show that here. Keyboards. See if I can get to the keyboard. Get to the keyboard. Okay, so we're gonna go to here where it says live. We're gonna go to listen, and we'll verify that the radio station is live and it's still running. So I can get here to the listen button. So yep, it's working. That is my original song, Trapped in Philly. I use it as filler for my radio station, which is actually good timing because I have real music on here, but I'm paying for licenses for that. But it has to go through the license company, streamlicensing.com, and I'm glad I was playing my music instead of somebody else's music, so I won't get in trouble. But I am playing real music. This is the hip hop list, or hip hop Monday playlist. Playing real music because I'm paying for it per month, and it's kind of cool that it's a radio station. Something that I always wanted to have, you know. Really can't be DJing is hard, but having a radio station is just as hard because you have to play music that people like and you have to advertise. So after days of getting this program onto the tiny little the tiny little Raspberry Pi that has Linux on it, then I was able to add media. So this is what you do. You click the add media and you add your media. So I spent a lot of money on iTunes. Really, I did. I bought iTunes stuff, man. I spent a lot of money on iTunes, and I just bought the music that is being played right now, and then I added it to the library. See, right now, the song just played. Now it's playing Ariana Grande Into You. It shows the previous, which was me, and it shows the next. John Legend is next. And this is the library. It took a while for me to figure out how to do this just right. Here's the music and audio that I just uploaded today. Aunt Pruitt gave me permission to upload his video and make it into audio talk shows. So that's that. And also I turned my video of testing the Alexa app on the Kindle Fire into audio. So that also will be a talk show tomorrow. And, oh, wait a moment. Did I tag it right? Yep, that's me as a creator. I did not tag the album right. So I'm going to have to fix that later. I'm kind of tired now. But it should still show properly. And it should play properly. So look out for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tech Tuesday. Actually, it's Talk Show Tuesday. I changed that because we talk about more than just tech. I also have interviews with artists on there too. Two artists, Matt Lee, as well as Gavin Gray, a rapper. And I'm set to do more interviews. So Tuesday would be Talk Show Tuesday, where I talk about tech and music and other things. As you see here, also we have K-pop. I have a K-pop playlist that's on Thursday. That's set up and ready to go. Also, as you see here, the XT Panther Radio 2016 and X Toscano, that is an artist. I ask on Twitter for artists that I'm playing to send me drops. And they send me drops via email. And let me see if I can play it for you real quick, so that it feels like a real radio station. I want to create that real radio station feel, so let's see here.
Hey, yo, 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 it's Xavier Toscano, and you are tuned into Panther Radio.
Yeah, that was loud. Sorry. But that is one of the many drops I have from the many artists that I have promoted via Twitter, as well as on Fiverr.com. If you want to sponsor me, you can sponsor me and I will play your music via Fiverr.com. So this is the library. Let me close this thing here. This is not as easy as I thought it would be to talk and then, all right. So next thing here is the calendar. This is where all the fun begins, because I actually have to organize this stuff here. Oh, another thing, sorry, go back to library. It took many different tries to get the music to play the way I wanted it to play, with all the kinds of genres. At first I had it via Creator, then I had it via album, but that made the list too large, so then I eventually tagged everything according to genre. And that allowed me to set up things better. As you can see here, anything that I label as drops are the artists will play with drops. Anything that's tech talk shows or talk shows in general will be on the talk shows, as I will, let me show you now. All right, so we go to smart blocks. So these are my smart blocks that I just finally figured out. The thing about any program on Linux is really good, but it's really complex. And I don't mean you gotta be smart. I mean you gotta find the instructions and then understand the instructions. So we see here is my smart block called Burn. This one is usually set for Wednesday, and it's set for all the music that is high tempo. So if you're working out, you can go to my website, pantherware.com/pantherradio, and click on that, and you can listen to the Burn list, where it's high tempo music you can exercise to. You can also go to tunein.com or download the TuneIn app, or if you already have the TuneIn app, just search for Panther Radio, and excuse me, I'm there. And you can listen to the Burn playlist on Wednesdays. On Saturdays, the party playlist. Most of the songs that people are doing dances to nowadays is on that. K-pop is Thursday. That took a while because I actually had to re-tag most of the songs for K-pop because they were listed as dance. So I had to re-tag the genres as K-pop so that when I organize everything, it will play all the ones properly. Which also will challenge, because when I have my music mix, which has everything except for K-pop, I had to make sure that K-pop was not playing with the music mix, because the music mix is just everything I have that's English, whereas K-pop is, of course, is the Korean pop music, which is a craze. If you listen to K-pop, if you heard the intro, you would thought it was R&B or hip-hop, until they started singing in Korean. It's kind of cool. All right, so club is the club music. That's usually set for Sunday. Did I skip hip hop? No. Sponsored is the group that I play every single night, regardless of what else is happening the rest of that day. Every night at midnight Eastern Standard Time, I play the sponsored because those people help me out. They help me by paying me, and they sponsor it for me. So I have about 48 minutes worth of music from people that have paid to be on the radio station. Thank you for that. And their sponsor is a good mix at midnight, every night, Eastern Standard Time. Check that out. The genre group is the drops. I have a lot of drops from different artists and all, and that's mixed throughout all of the. My storage is almost full. We're running out of time. Okay, hip hop list is for Friday. That's all the hip hop and R&B going on. Music mix for everything, and the talk show all the way down there is for Tuesday. Talk show Tuesday. So those are my lists that I have set up via genres. This is the doodad I got going on. Take a listen. pantherware.com/pantherradio. Thanks for watching.